Dana Henson now serving. 16-15. Arellano may kalabangan din sa ating fourth set, also leading 2-1. Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Denise Tan from the arena in San Juan. Shakey's V-League 10th season. Bautista. Guillermo. Sartin. Candado na naman galing kay Salamagos.
She has emerged as the blocking machine.
Yun na nga eh.
I think that's what, 4? 3 to 4?
That's 3 in a row.
Wow.
Here's Diaz. Ticar. Bautista. Off the block again. Again, Perpetual continuing to do a good job on Nene Bautista.
Whoa!
Walang tao doon. Sagun humabol. Guillermo de la Paz.
Smart set yun for Guillermo.
Right.
Realize ang medyo magulo pa yung defense.
Isa pa very impressive so far. Ito si Ann Guillermo. May the better setter win yan eh. Sartin into the net. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, here are the numbers of Salamagos. 5 attacks, 5 blocks. Wow.
Wow. 10 points already.
Oh.
10 quiet points, especially pagdating sa opensa. Elaine Sagun. Condada. Guillermo. And Cases.
To think Cases just practiced with the team yesterday, no? Very impressive.
Eh, ito naman yung natural abilities ni Joy Cases eh.
That is true also.
Trying to tie Jane Diaz sa kanyang service. Balse, Ticar, combination, Bautista, Condada. Condada gives it up. Ticar, Bautista, hindi pa rin makuha ni Nene. Tabla na tayo ngayon, 18 all. Nene Bautista has only scored 1 point in this set.
Pero yung napansin ko, she has been struggling the down the line hit eh, no? Hindi pa niya nakukuha yung timing niya.
Pero yun na lang kasi binibigay sa kanya ng Perpetual eh.
That's true.
Sagun, Ticar, back row attack from Balse. Sartin tracking it down. Free ball, Ibiza. Ticar, quick set, Salamagos. Ticar. Oh! A score there for Joy Cases. Ticar had the right idea, pero kulang na naman sa elevation.
And Perpetual now grabs the lead.
Jane Diaz. Here's Ticar. Bautista, finally Nene scores.
Slowly but surely, no?
Salamagos sits, Beltran returns. Tied at 19, set number 4. Here's Guillermo. Combination play now for Cases, who will miss everything. Pinapadaan ni Cases sa kamay ng blockers, hindi nangyari.
That's right. But speaking of Cases, she is now the leading scorer of Perpetual with 13. And Arellano, si Balse pa rin with 18.
Nice serve again. De La Paz, Balse, Ticar, Bautista, lusot na naman. 21-19.
Alam mo, itong time na to sa fourth set, ito yung gusto ni Nene eh. The time, no? Go, give it to me. Give it to me.
Time out now for Perpetual.
Kumapit kayo! With 30 families tabi ng ilog, kailangan natin mailikas. Paabot sa bubong ng bahay ang baha. Okay.
biyahe patimog ng Isla ng Panay. Subukan ang kakaiba pero relaxing na spa.
Dapat kayo isry na rin.
At tikman ang sarap ng chicken binakol ng Antique.
Magkakasya ba yan kahit napakaliit?
Kilalanin din natin ang ilang pamilyang nabubuhay sa pagbabasag ng marmol.
Black marble yan. Pinukortihan namin yan.
At ang magkapatid na nakararanas ng isang wala pa ring lunas na sakit. Motorcycle Diaries, 10 p.m. Thursday.
Lagi kaming happy dito.
Nandito na kasi ako.
Tumindiman ang challenges.
Di ko uurungan yan.
Masakit sa balikat!
Ayos lang kasi mas maganda naman ang kapalit na treat.
Isang mas bonggang bakasyon! Yay! Ready na daw sila! Ay! Oh my gosh!
Lalo na ngayon kasi nadagdagan na ang barkada.
Ang sakit na ng tiyan ko sa kakatawa. Your wing!
Bagong Dea, tuwing Sabado.
Ngayon, itong si Beltran serving once again. Atake ni Joy Cases. Di pa to tapos, ha? Cases with 14.
You know, she started out medyo slow, no?
Oo.
Pero,
Joy Cases pa rin yan, eh.
good heck.
Dapat nga kinakancel out na natin yung Cases at saka Balse. Ay, ay, ay! De La Paz with a very costly service error. Nene Bautista. Service ace! Timeout na naman for Perpetual. Tatlo na ngayon ang kailangan lang habulin. In the case of Perpetual, kailangan you should freeze it in time ngayon.
Yeah.
Kailangan talaga play in a very relaxed state. Kasi pag narattle ka at this point, here is Guillermo.
That was quick. Service error.
Oh.
Service ace for Arellano, now hitting error.
Hitting error against Joy Cases. 4 match points. Argarin returns. Guillermo sits.
So this is the gamble of Coach Sapin.
Well, at least Argarin is a veteran setter. Nene Bautista serving for the match. Argarin to Bino. They get one back. 24-21. Tatlo ang abante ng Lady Chiefs.
With that hit by Tobino, you can already say that magandang hugot na ni
Ayan, kagad.
Coach Jason Sapin.
Joy Cases serving to try to stay in the match. Ticar. Bautista. Here's Sartin. Bautista. Ticar attacking. And that one drops in.
That's right. Well, that's still a 2-point lead for Arellano.
Double set or double match point.
But, yeah, Perpetual, kailangan talaga nila just pound.
Yun na nga eh, parang tinutulak na nila yung Arellano ngayon. Cases, Henson, Ticar for Henson. Nice dig by Cases. Cases, back row. Ticar, Henson, and Henson misses. Now only one match point remaining. 24-23. Substitution, Guillermo in. Mamaya na ito yung sub. Time out muna, Arellano.
Kailangan
mukhang tapos na ito kanina, 24-20 eh. Biglang, humarurot na naman itong koponan ng Perpetual as Guillermo will now close it out. Coming in for Arganin.
So, you know, actually, that's a nice chess game.
Right.
Itong si Coach Jason Sapin. Let's see if it works.
Let's see
more.
it. Cases. Bad reception. Tikar gets it across. Henson keeps it alive. Balse. Diaz. Sartin. Yes! Tied at 24.
Perpetual. Now you can sense that sila, they want this more.
Oo.
Four match points. Exactly.
Binura nila. We're back to even. Now a race to 26 once again. Joy Cases, consistent on her serve. Another good one. Diane Tikar. Ging Balse.
You know, that was a smart set by Tikar to Ging Balse. There's
Right.
only one blocker, and you know, Ging Balse, rare yan. May mga ka-block sa kanya pag single blocker.
Now Diane Tikar serving for the match. Sartin. Guillermo. Tubino. It's not in there. And Arellano University wins it in 4 hard-fought sets against the debuting University of Perpetual Health System Delta.
That's right. You know, actually, Perpetual gave it a good fight. Pero ang maganda nito is, first game pa lang ng Perpetual, they can come back. You know, nakita natin yung change from one set to the other. They're getting better.
Well, let's take a look at our shaky shake and play. Nenny Bautista was serving at this point. And that was her service ace as Arellano wins it over Perpetual. 4 long sets ang kinailangan ng Arellano para matapos ang laban kontra sa Perpetual, and Denise Tan is with our Shakey's player of the game.
Yes, the lady who helped Arellano sail their ship into victory, Diane Tikar. Diane, nung after ng second set, paulit-ulit sabi ni Coach Obet na hindi pa tapos yan, yung pangatlo pa. Ano nangyari? Ba't bumigay kayo ng third?
Bali po, nag-relax po talaga kami. Kaya yun po, sabi nga, po ito po sabi ni Coach na huwag kayong mag-relax. Pero yung, nandun na po yung parang nagkampante po kami na, nanalo na kami ng second set. So, kaya po namin manalo pa ng another set pa po. Kaya.
Alright, and of course, since best player ka nga natin, you have a pizza from Shakey's. May gusto ka bang batiin or pasalamatan?
Thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng AU. Binabati ko po yung pamangkin ko si Savvy, yung ate ko po, yung tita ko po, tapos yung coach ko po nung high school. Yung mga nanonood po yung family ko po, binabati ko po. Tapos yung mga taga-Arellano, yung mga classmate ko nung high school. Thank you talaga. Thank you.
Alright, thanks Diane and congratulations again. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much, and Denise Tan. And that was a very, very long, drawn-out match. But in the end, Arellano now moves to 2 wins and 1 losses. On behalf of my partner, Noreen Go, and our interviewer, Denise Tan, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.